What's up, friend? Today I'm going to share a Filipino recipe that's healthy and delicious. We're making Lumpiang Sariwa or fresh spring rolls. There are 3 parts in making a fresh lumpia: the filling, the sauce, and the wrapper. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the fillings and the sauce. This recipe will create 8 pieces of fresh lumpia. Let's start by making the sweet sauce. Crush 1 cup of peanuts, but we're only going to use 1/3 cup of peanuts for the sauce. We're going to use the rest of the peanuts for the toppings. Crush 1/8 cup garlic. We're only using 1/8 cup for the sauce. Leave some garlic for cooking the fillings later. Make a cornstarch slurry by mixing ½ cup cornstarch with 1 cup water. You will also need ½ tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 2 cups brown sugar. Let's cook! Boil 5 cups of water. Once hot, put in 1/8 cup garlic, then let it boil. Then add 1/3 cup peanuts and 2 cups brown sugar. Let it boil. Next, add ½ teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon vinegar. Let it boil for 3 minutes. Lower the heat, then gradually add cornstarch slurry to avoid clumping, then let it boil. And you're done with the sauce. Now let's prepare the fillings. For this recipe, here are the ingredients that you need for our fresh lumpia fillings. 1 cup cabbage, 1 cup carrots, 1 cup camote or sweet potato, 2 cups singkamas, 1 cup baguio beans, 8 lettuce leaves. Don't forget to remove the skins of the sweet potatoes, carrots, and singkamas. Julienne or cut the vegetables into thin strips. Of course, except the lettuce leaves. There are different variations of fillings for Lumpiang Sariwa since you can put different vegetables for your fillings. Dice 1 tablespoon garlic and 1 tablespoon onion. Now for our protein, we will need 1/4 minced chicken. To marinate the chicken, simply add ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Mix well, then set aside. You will also need ½ cup cooking oil, 1 teaspoon patis or fish sauce. Let's cook! Preheat ½ cup cooking oil. Once hot, put 1 tablespoon onion and 1 tablespoon garlic. Cook until the garlic turns golden brown. Put the chicken and cook for about 3 minutes. Then put the vegetables. Put carrots, baguio beans, camote. Keep mixing the vegetables. 1 teaspoon patis or fish sauce. Put 1 teaspoon salt, then cook for 3 minutes. Put the cabbage and singkamas last so it stays crisp and crunchy. Cook the veggies for 2 more minutes. Put it in a strainer to remove unnecessary liquids. Now you're ready to put the fillings in a wrap. Wrapping lumpia fillings is as easy as folding an envelope. These wrappers can be bought from the grocery store, or you can make your own. If you want to learn how to make your own wrappers, we created a separate video for you. Check out the link in the description box. Arrange each piece by laying a piece of lettuce in the middle of the wrapper, and then put the vegetables and some peanuts. Secure the fillings by folding the side and then fold the lower part of the wrapper upwards until it reaches the filling and then fold the side inwards. Set it aside, then top it with lumpia sauce and sprinkle with more crushed peanuts. You can also serve them separately so you and your friends can just make their own wrap. That's a wrap! A healthy, savory snack that can be enjoyed by kids and adults. Let me know in the comment section, what ingredients would you add to this recipe to make it a special dish of your own? Don't forget to hit the like button if this video made you hungry. Thanks for watching! See you in the next video!